Day, unsa di day?
Basa ko ani ha. Junior's own adventure.
Kitsa ba si Junior bay?
Di ka kabalo kinsa si Junior ha? For your information, si Junior usa ka karakter si VeggieTales. Bogo kod kay ka, ha?
Unsay bogo?
I wanted to know him more. Nga naman pasigi-sigi pa jud kag syagit ka sa kuha. KJ jud kay ka be. Nanapod ka ba?
Say that to me one more time or I will kick you out.
If you call me KJ one more time, isa pa ka ha? Bantay ka lang sa kuha karon. Sige,
Sige.
ma'am,
Noted, boss.
Sige ha, sige. Kitsa ka ba lumabasa? Ikaw? Kamaw ka babasa?
Ay,
Ako na lang, ma'am. May experience ako sa reading Okay. It was just an ordinary day when Dave took his sheep out for an afternoon walk. The sun was shining, the camels were splitting? Ano ba to? Splitting?
gigwang.
Unsay splitting? Spitting! Naunsa man ka, oy! Hi! Sure ba jud ko sa kung pronunciation sa word nga naman ka? Sige jud ka, nag-apak ko sa ulo ba? Okay?
Sa baa di mo ha, wag mong ituloy. Na.
Sorry, good
na.
oy. Anyway, I will reread this for you all. It was just an ordinary day when Dave took his sheep out for an afternoon walk. The sun was shining, the camels were spitting, and the sheep were, well, they were tipping over.
Ganern. Nice. Ma'am, na ako'y question. Saman be, what kind of vegetable di ay si Junior? Curious ko lang.
So, si Junior
Pipino si Junior! Guys!
Akong dalugan! Oh my gosh! Akong dalugan! Sakit kaya!
Grabe ka confident. Og mali jud di answer! Dili pipino si Junior! Naunsa man yun?
Nanapod ka! You hurt my ears again!
Sorry kaayo, suko na jud ko.
Junior is an asparagus. Asparagus siya ba?
Why common sense?
Ay, mao di ay. Sorry kayo. Anyway, kidsay next mabasa.
Ako pa, ma'am. Every hour on the hour, Dave climbed up to the top of a hill so he could look down and count all his sheep. He had to make sure they were all still there. Very good. Later, we'll see how many sheep left before something happened. Watch out, mga higala.
Oh!
100 sila kabuok, no? Oh, pero look closely. Very good, class. 100 na ng sheep. Pero... Ngano 99 lang man? Di ba 100 baya itong mga sheep kaganina? Oh, pero nga nabawasan mag 99. Mao na! Sige sikarat-sikara mga kanding. Ang unsay kanding? Sheep! Gamayg utok. Unsay sikarat-sikaran sa muka. Sige, volunteer sa pagbasa.
Ako, ma'am. 98, 99, Dave counted. Then Dave stopped.
Only 99? He yelled.
Unsay yelled? Yelled!
Ay, sorry, good.
One of them is missing.
Good. Since 99 na lang ang mga sheep ni Junior, so he has to decide what should he do. What do you think, class? What should Dave do? Look for the lost sheep? Stay with the 99 sheep? Or go ask yung papa for help? What do you think, class? Kabulon ako, ma'am! Piyay, kanding! Walay buot man jud siya. Uy, what kind of response is that, ha? Dili man na kanding. For the last time, sheep man na. Naunsa naman ka. Sige, jupog joke-jokean ba? Seryoso ba to question? Binuangan pa jud siya, Oo. Class clown man siya, gyud. Pero, di ko gets ang humor ba? I agree. Everything he sees in this school is like a joke to him. Grabe, tama na, class. The only thing to do is to focus on the question. What do you think is the answer? Para sa ako, I think there is one option that is considered the wisest kasi we have to find out which one is the best and suitable answer for that. Kung kaya ba ni Junior mag-find ng lost sheep sa sarili niya, it's the best choice. But if you want to click on the ask for help one, then it's also one of the good choices. Kasi advice siyang papa na ipangita ang lost sheep kasi 99 sheep is nothing without the lost one. Nga naman, kasi concern niya, pag ayaw niya mo get sick or whatsoever. That's my interpretation lang po, ma'am. Thank you. Ah, thoughtful. Great job. So, guys, since we want to find out unsay answer, what do you think is the best and suitable answer for you guys? Ayaw pag loko-loko ha? Especially you. Ay, kitakpan ko. For me, ma'am, first one, I think. Same. Tinood. Real. Yups. Yeah. Sige, be. Correct mo na! Yes! Okay, we're now on the verge of finding his lost sheep. Sige daw, be. Before revealing the roots, what do you think you guys will find the lost sheep there? Da ay mga ways diha. What do you guys think? Again. Kabulon ako. Paghilom o ayaw pagloko-loko, ha? Wow, galing. Anyways, anyone wanna try? Di ko sure, ma'am, pero I have one theory. So, yung sheep dito sa may hills ay murag nagutom man siya pero delikado. While the valley there, parang mas dali jud siya mo lakaw jud ang sheep. Pero feeling ko nag-hide siya sa may caves. Di ko sure if I knew the whole story, pero it's just my opinion lang. Interesting. Sige daw, be, guys. Na ako'y questions and answers. Sige daw, guys. Yung lost sheep sa left or sa right? Sa left mismo? Alangan, what do you expect? Yung nasa right, bro, delikado ba't siguro yung sheep? Badaanan dito. Pero jud ko nag-agree. I think sa left. Honestly, same. Left? Ay, majority wins. Noon sa man itong cursor. Hoy! Paspasa! Kaya kong dalunggan. Sabi ko nga ba? Topa! Yes! Sige guys, we have to keep going. Junior! Ay! Wala raman, nag-stop. Ay! Maugani, nag-slide pa pud siya. Ay, you're not allowed by. Kapoy na yun bitalan sa school year. I hope this freaking semester will end! Stop with the audio effects! Okay, jeez, I'll stop. Ano naman mo? Ay, kasamok. Okay, what do you think, class? Go down the hill ba siya? Go down to the desert? Stop and rest for a while? Or keep climbing the hill? Class? Like I said, ayaw pagloko-loko. Answer, honestly. Go! Ma'am, tulgod na siya, ma'am. That's the only valid answer. He needs to sleep. Kapuya, oy. Okay. Is this how you think this is the valid answer? Ay, pasigig. Ay, nako. Don't you know he's going to be late for that? Feeling ka to, anan. Hi, you and your funny answers. How joyous. Ma'am, sorry kayo. For me, mas choose ko na kog. Keep climbing the hill. Kaya nga naman, determined kaayo siya. Oh, see? Very good answer. Unlike ka mo, sige pagloko-loko sa ko class. Makes sense.
Okay.
Nice.
Hi, KJ, jud mo mga guys. I think sleeping is the best answer.
Paghilom. Do you think he can find the lost sheep right down there? Are you with me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
La, nakita na ko yung lost sheep. Yes! Kapit na mo hubad, class. Last question na lang. Sige. What do you guys think? Dagad o kwa ang sheep dayon? O coax the sheep back with some food yung gidala? What do you think? Tawata ng kanding! Nanapod ka. Sige ka. Hi, sorry, joke raman. I will pick the second prompt. Paspasa! Correct, class!
Yay! Kaya pa ba niya?
Kaya! Yes! Finally, nakita niya yung lost sheep at last.
Maugani.
Ako na mag-read. Dave was glad that he went to find the lost lamb. Even though there were 99 sheep already safe, he knew that every single sheep is important. Just like every kid is important to God. Aww. Ay, nindot niya itong storya. May morals pa. True this. Thank you, Tanan, for listening to this story. I hope you learned something. Even if nag-joke-jokean mo kanina. Thank you, guys.
Bye!